surrounded by farmlands and situated within Pickering's rural hamlet of Cherrywood East, welcome to 806 Jomar Avenue, a well-maintained 3+1 bedroom brick bungalow set on an impressive and premium-sized 100 by 150 foot corner lot. The home features a 2-car garage with opener and remotes that is complemented with up to 4 vehicle parking in the main driveway, as well as a secondary driveway off of Stonehurst Drive that has a double-door gate for entry into the backyard, and off the main driveway is an interlocking walkway to the front entrance. Capitalizing on the home's south-facing exposure, the front door has 2 side lights that allow for natural light to spill inside, and off the tiled foyer is a carpeted staircase to the lower level, while hardwood steps lead to a main level showcasing an open theme design, as well as hardwood flooring throughout its main hall, the bedrooms, and in a lovely south-facing living room filled with bright natural light through its bow window. This wonderful entertaining space showcases a decorative plaster ceiling with the elegance of crown moldings, as well as built-in display shelves, storage cabinets, and a media niche surrounding a propane fireplace with a tiled front facade that brings added coziness to this beautifully warm room. And with half walls around the staircases, the living room also enjoys an openness with the front entrance that enhances the spaciousness of the home. The beautifully updated kitchen and dining room exude modern elegance, with these 2 spaces showcasing gorgeous contemporary light fixtures, vinyl plank flooring, and a chic gray-white color palette complemented with the sleekness of stainless steel and subtle gold accents. The kitchen's cabinetry offers amazing storage, including a pantry, and is finished with quartz counters. The peninsula has breakfast seating and provides both added storage and extra counter working space. Stainless steel appliances include a built-in microwave and dishwasher, oven with smooth surface cooktop, as well as a French door fridge with bottom mount freezer, while completing the kitchen is a stainless steel double undermount sink with a reverse osmosis water system. Off the dining area is the sliding door walkout to the backyard, while accentuating the elegance of this entertaining space is a feature wall papered with a delicate yet eye-catching pattern. The 3 bedrooms on this level all feature large windows allowing for natural brightness, with the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms having good-sized single closets, while the master bedroom showcases a spacious double closet with mirrored doors in addition to a single closet. And these bedrooms share the main 4-piece washroom, which features a tiled bath area with a soaker tub and rainfall shower head, quality vinyl flooring, as well as a wood vanity with granite counter, undermount basin, and a mirrored toiletry cabinet. Other important features of this home include a 220-foot deep well with a newer pump, a recently pumped septic tank with updated green lids, a water softener, a water filtration system, and a UV water purification system, as well as a Generlink installed to the electric meter by Pickering Hydro to connect a portable generator. Off the lower level staircase landing is a double coat closet, access to storage under the stairs, as well as a large storage and utility room. Featuring broadloom, pot lighting, and oversized above-grade windows, this level also features a spacious family recreation area, and adding to this room's warm and inviting aura is a floor-to-ceiling brick feature wall with a brick hearth that surrounds the coziness of a propane fireplace, while sconce lighting enhances the ambiance of this space. Off the family recreation area is this home's 4th bedroom, which has a double closet, and this level additionally features a 2-piece washroom with updated flooring and a contemporary vanity with countertop basin, and a laundry room with luxury vinyl flooring, a separate entrance from the garage, washer and dryer, as well as a modern laundry sink. This exceptional property showcases a fenced backyard that is surrounded by mature trees and shrubs and has 2 sheds for storage. The backyard is also a gorgeous entertaining area during the summer months, having a 2-tiered wood deck that is partially covered by a pergola, as well as a separate sitting area along the yard's east side that is surrounded by trees for added privacy. within the catchment area of Maple Ridge Public, St. Monica Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools for their French immersion programs, and minutes by car to the Amberley Shopping Centre, as well as a wide variety of shops and services along Kingston Road for everyday essentials. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and access to Highway 401, as well as to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.